Welcome to the Book Lover's Library. This template is your all-in-one space to track, organize, and visualize your entire reading life. Getting started is simple. Just click Add New Book and fill in the details. You can type the title, select the author, and paste a link to the cover art. The system automatically sorts this into your Up Next queue, so your reading list is always organized. When you start reading, just change the status to Reading. If you scroll up, you'll see it has instantly moved to the Currently Reading dashboard, keeping it front and center. Inside the page, you can add more details. You can link this book to a specific series and assign a genre to keep your library organized. You can also capture your thoughts here. The Quotes and Notes section ensures you never forget a great line. Simply type out your favorite quotes, and they will be permanently linked to this specific book for future reference. When you've turned the final page, switch the status to Read. The book automatically files itself away onto your finished bookshelf. From here, you can mark it as a favorite, give it the star rating, and even log exactly when you started and finished reading to keep a history of your year. Further down, the dashboard lets you explore your library in different ways. You can browse by author to see their entire bibliography at a glance. Or click on a genre like science fiction to see just the books in that category. Your saved notes also appear in the Latest Musings list. You can click into them anytime to add more context, like page numbers or tags. For the completionists, there is the Series Tracker. It tracks your progress through a saga. Watch the bar on the right. When I mark the next book in the trilogy as read, the progress bar automatically updates to 100%. It is the most satisfying way to track your reading goals. Finally, let me show you the superpower of this template, Notion AI. You can use it as your personal librarian. Just ask it a question. For example, find me more quotes from this book. In seconds, it analyzes the book and populates your notes with deeper insights. It's like having a book club in your pocket. If you want to try this feature, check the link in the description to get 3 months of Notion AI for free. Enjoy your reading.